Hey there. Ready to start building your investment portfolio? Trading stocks on SoFi Invest is designed to be simple, intuitive, and accessible for investors at any level. Welcome back to Guide with Samuel. Here's the simple way to trade. Open the SoFi app and tap the Invest tab. Use the search bar to find a stock by name or ticker symbol. Once on the stocks page, tap Trade. Choose between a market order, buys immediately, or a limit order. Set your price, enter the amount in dollars or shares, review, and swipe to submit. You can buy fractional shares of any stock on their platform with as little as $5. My crucial pro tip? Start with a limit order for more control. Especially when you're new or the market is volatile, a limit order guarantees you won't pay more than your specified price per share. It's a smart way to avoid surprise costs from price fluctuations at the moment of purchase. That's how you take your first step into stock ownership with confidence. What was the first stock you ever bought, or which one are you thinking of first? Share below. For more guides that demystify investing, hit subscribe. Thanks for watching. I'm Samuel, and I'll see you in the next video.